Welcome to the CryptoNest. So we can see that the fear and greed today it's 49. I'm honestly surprised since Bitcoin, well, I don't want to say it's crashing, but it is going lower. Um, yeah, so I'm still convinced. Okay, so first of all, let me zoom out a little bit because it's been a while I didn't do any video. So I am pretty much convinced that we completed this third wave, and now all this is a fourth wave. And there is the scenario where, well, correction, it's already completed, and this could be already an A, B, C, and this was the lower low. But yes, we did well, I mean, no, we didn't really have 5-way up, so that I don't have any sign to tell me that more likely I have a hint or start to have a hint that this was the lower low. So as you can see, we only have 3 waves. 3 waves, it means yeah, correction of the trend, well, mini trend, right? Bigger trend, yes, it's up, but now we are into this fourth wave. So what's left now for me? Well, I can say that well, correction is not finished, and if we have something as a corrective wave down, I call that a wave A, and then 3 wave up, I call that a wave B, and now I'm expecting the wave C. Now there are 2 options. I didn't want to mention before. Honestly, I think, yeah, it's still premature to talk about it now, but let me just put it there. So you can see I did draw now this blue trend line. Here, this is it's an abstract for the moment line, because yeah, I can say this was the A, this was the B, and this indeed was the C. Well, now, no, it's not very well placed, but you know, let me move that around maybe. And yeah, so we have an A, B, C, and then who knows, perhaps we're going to have a D and a E. And at that moment is going to be the moment of truth, because yeah, when we have a triangle, well, price is going to explode on the opposite side of the wave E, which is the upside. But for a moment, you know, I put it there, but is it going to work out? We don't know for the moment. But we can have some invalidation points. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, well, first of all, the wave C is not allowed to go lower than a wave A, so that we got that right. And yeah, I was thinking if these really go higher, then maybe we're going to do this wave D. But today, impression is that maybe we're going to go directly and not do this triangle, but perhaps we're going to do a wave C. So if you focus on the yellow labels, yeah, so this is the A, this is the B, and now we are doing the C. Where would be the ideal retracement for that wave? Let me take out this. Okay, so I did the fib well, extension if you want, and the 1-to-1 ratio 55:192. So what did I do? I just took the length of the wave A and I added to the end of the wave B. 1-to-1 ratio, it does bring us here. So what else can I say? I honestly also altcoins, yeah, we're getting destroyed, and this is why the reason we shouldn't be all in altcoins. Altcoins, yeah, they can make you rich, but they can also wreck you if you don't time properly. And yeah, I'm guilty as well. I was, okay, now should be the altcoin season coming, and then it didn't come yet. And in the meanwhile, we're waiting for that. We're getting wrecked. So this is why, you know, I'm pretty much at 90%. You know, I only have strong coins, or coins that I really believe, or coins that I bought in a bear market, and I don't care if they go a little bit lower, because I bought them, you know, way lower. All right, so if you are thinking to buy some altcoins, yeah, for sure, it's always the time to buy altcoins. But is it the good time? That's the thing, right? So this is why it's important to study the charts, um, uh, locate where are we going, are we making, you know, an extension, are we ready to make a pullback? If we do make a pullback, what are the areas? This is how Fibonacci extension, retracement, and Elliott waves help us out to have a hint. And now, yeah, sorry to say that, but you know, shit happen in life. Even though, you know, yeah, Bitcoin is supposed to stop at 55,192, but now we have BlackRock and Fidelity and Vanguard and blah blah blah. And who knows, maybe at 55,000, maybe they're going to freaking sell the shit off all the Bitcoin, and they're going to put it, I don't know, they're going to push it at, I don't know, maybe 49,000. And yeah, 49,500, I'm going to say, I'm going to be like, holy shit, this is not good. Because below 50k or 49,585, then this is start to be bad. Not, I will not be as bullish as before, as I am now. So yeah, it's going to yeah, I'm going to, I don't want to say freak out, but partially mildly start to freak out a little bit. All right, so we need to also give some room, from space for manipulation of this. I wanted to say bad words. Okay, so from these people that they play with money and with people and destroy savings life on purpose. And they just want to take our money and get richer, and no sharing. They're not generous people. All right, so yeah, so this is what I'm looking at now. Once again, I did some micro counting. Well, bear in mind, micro counting and, you know, Fibonacci's work impeccably well on impulsive movement and uptrend. Correction, you know, not that much. But bigger picture, it does work. We're doing ABC now. Unsure. Here's the level now that I want to focus on. It's 58 to 57 to round it up. Well, you know, plus and minus a couple of dollars for sure. Not a perfect science. If we go lower, then yeah, this is not a wave C anymore, right? Because it means we're doing something else. And then if we go below that, below the A point, 56,555 or 556, then it destroy our ABCDE. That would be amazing. So we can just focus on the 55,192 or somewhere around there. And that would bring some clarity. Also, you can see that micro counting a little bit. So yeah, so I started here. This was the 1, 2, and once again, like I don't know, nano counting. I don't know if it's a. So we see I can count 1, 2. All this is a 3. This was a 4. As you can see, it just stopped at this 0.5, and now we're having, yeah, an impulsive movement to the downside, and this could be perhaps the fifth wave, right? So if we go and make a new local lower low, well, pretty much significant that yeah, that's the fifth wave, and that's going to conclude as well the fifth wave of this orange cap. All right, so let me take out these drawings now. And coincidentally, if we do a fifth wave in purple and conclude that fifth wave in orange, well, we're going to conclude also this wave C in orange, or not yellow, and it should go around the 1-to-1 ratio wave A to wave C, 55,192. You see where I'm going? A lot of confluence indicators, they go around this level. So let's see if we go there, and yeah, maybe we're not going to go there. Maybe we just stop to the May 200, which is here, right? So I know, it would be perfect science. It would be so nice if we do get to the 55 200. But yeah, I mean, 58 to 31, good enough for me. All right, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys. Well, the message here is do not freak out. Maybe, perhaps, it's another time to get some cheap Bitcoin or ETH, perhaps. And if you do some charting, I don't know, maybe you find that some altcoins, they are in a good level. So up to you. Do your chart, do your work. For sure, this is not financial advice. Can we get wrecked? Yeah. Can we go lower? Yeah, definitely. Can we go around 50K? Sure, we can. But if we do, I'm going to load up a little bit more. That's my point of view on Bitcoin. I do trust Bitcoin. I have more trust on Bitcoin than gold on anything else. That it helped me to fight inflation. And for the moment, on everything I experienced in my life, well, Bitcoin, it was the most efficient one to help me to not get poorer year after year after year. And unfortunately, I regret I didn't met him before, Mr. Bitcoin. All right, so this is pretty much all. Hopefully, it wasn't too long. Hopefully, I didn't annoy you. And please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you have any special requests, please drop it down. If I have time, I can chart it for you. All right, so on that, have an amazing, what day we are today? Wednesday. Amazing Wednesday. Bye.